with everything we have done up to this point, you can see if your interest is to go into web development, you have at least a little bit of understanding how all these things work. Your information when they get it, going to check on their database whether if it exists. If it exists, they are going to log in like that on Facebook or any website. So we can see that with this, we're able to build something really nice like that of a standard website. We're able to create a database, change information on database, access the database, and then try to check how the data, check your information whether if it exists. Right now, I can actually get your info, your name, your phone number, your surname, and your first name, also your password, and a whole lot of other things. So you can see how beautiful that was done. So if I want to sign in a new account, because right now this account already exists, and this is what we did in our last video. Let's say I want to, let's say instead of easy keys, I type easy keys. Instead of password, I made a mistake and put 1 here. So let me run this file again. Okay, let me come here and type easy keys, and then I can come here and say what password. Let's say I mistakenly put in 1 here and I try login. It's not going to log in because this password does not exist in our database. But we can actually create it by ourselves. We can also go to this sign in and create a password for and the username, make use of this guy. So we can, when we click on sign in, it's going to tell us to enter things, surname, let's say phone number, and then username. I can enter easy keys, and for that or password I can say password 1. When I hit this, it's going to let me open our database so we can basically see our database. This is our database. So let me do it in a structured way so we can know what we are doing. CSV editor, and then let me move this. You can see this is our currently database right now. So let me try saving this guy. Let's see what is going to happen. Let me shrink this. Let me click on profile, see what is going to happen. As you can see, it got saved. It's the easy keys and the password 1. So if I was to close this and run this of our file again and try logging in with this username and password that we just created, it's going to log in successfully. So let me drag this here, and then let me say this username is what easy keys, and that or the password is password 1. So I can click on this login hula. You can see I logged in successfully because I've created this information and it already exists on our database. There are a whole lot of other things that we can actually do. When we go to this sign in, when we are done signing in, we cannot go back because it just be stuck there. I'm not going to do that. For this ideology of what we have done to this point, you can be able to do this by it's basically simple to do. Because when there's a lot of other extra and exception we can try to handle, but I'm not going to do that because this video is taking a whole really long. It's taking so much time to finish, and I don't want to go into much details again, doing all those things. So I think this is where we are going to draw the curtain for this chapter of this Facebook login type of kind of simulation. I think in the next video I'm going to just wrap everything up, and then I'm going to look at things that you should know before we move on to the next video. So I think this should be the end for this. If you enjoy, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'm happy to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.